1970 was the first time any human being ever lifted 500 pounds from the floor to overhead with a standard Olympic bar. It was done in Columbus, Ohio by Vasily Alexeyev from Russia. It was a big deal. At the Arnold Strongman contest, we have had great performers like Mike Jenkins, Zydrunas Savickas, and Hafthor Bjornsson from Iceland, who's possibly going to become the greatest ever. He's 6'10", has weighed as much as 460, and he's only like 23 years old. When people see these giants, almost godlike creatures in terms of their power, their strength, it's captivating. The deadlift, the record is over 1,100 pounds.
It's the biggest log ever used in strongman contest. They do lift it, it will be historic.
If you had said people could lift a 600-pound round stone off the ground, real experts 50 years ago would have laughed. Almost 500 pounds now with the log, 230 or 40 pounds with the circus dumbbell. I mean, that's crazy. These guys are the best men in the sport. They peak for our event. They are prouder of winning there than anywhere else. They come and they really give it their all, and the crowd can see that. Every year, Arnold will say to me, I really do think that this was better than last year. I hope that 2014 is better. If history is any guide, it will be better.